Every year on December 11th, International Mountain Day is celebrated to create awareness about the importance of mountains to life.
A mountain is basically a huge landform that rises above the land that surrounds it in a limited area, typically forming a peak at the top. Mountains are some of the most beautiful of nature structures. On this day, various activities are organized to increase awareness about the role of mountains, like book fair, workshops, and festivals. Each year, International Mountain Day has a particular theme. Previous themes have focused on fresh water, peace, biodiversity, and climate change.
Mountain Day is an opportunity to appreciate the scenic landmarks. Mountains loved by all people in the world. We spent hours reading about mountains around the world.
Majestic and beautiful are mountains. Mountain Day gives us the perfect excuse to climb that mountains that we may have always wanted to climb. So let us share a beautiful picture of a mountain and celebrate International Mountain Day.